If you're watching this video, you know your family needs life insurance. If you're like me, when I was looking to protect my family, you want to know that it's the right amount if you're knocked out of the game right now. And you want to know how much it will cost. How much term insurance or life insurance do you need? If you're a young family, the general rule of thumb is 10 times your income. Why? Because most people, if they want to conserve principal and outpace inflation, can really only take 4% a year without depleting too much capital for later years. If you add a little coverage to pay off your mortgage or pay off debts or for college funding, you may not need 10 times. If you'd like a thorough analysis, we can do that for you so you precisely know what your life insurance need is right now. We can print it out so you have it. So if you make 50,000 a year and your household spends $50,000 a year, you probably need a million, maybe a million two. Oh my gosh, that sounds like a lot of money. I know, I've been there. Well, there's a few different factors on how much it will cost. There's actually probably 10 factors, but I don't want to get into the nerdy life insurance, actuarial, risk management stuff. So basically, if you're in preferred health, which mostly internet ads will quote prices like, hey, we got $1 million in coverage for $16 a month. It's usually super preferred for females. If you need $1 million and you're like 30% of the population, your preferred health risk. So you're 30 years old, a female will be 25 a month for a million in coverage for 10 years. If you want coverage until you're 60, a 30-year would be 70 a month. A male in the same situation would be $34 for 10 years, 86 for 30. For half a million, be 15 to 36 for a female, and the male will be about and a half. If you're 50, prices go up. You may only need 10 or a 20 year. So for half a million, a female will be $53 for 10 years. A male will be $68. This is an A plus rated company. We use carriers such as Mutual of Omaha, Transamerica, Gerber, John Hancock, etc. There can be a big variance. Uh, we had a client who found a price off the internet. He wanted $100,000 in coverage, and he's a 50-year-old male. He had a very minor anxiety pill he took. The company wanted, with the great price, didn't think it was minor, so they charged him 180% higher than the price he wanted. It was 78 a month. We took him to the company we thought would be a little friendlier, and they were actually less than what we thought they would be. It was $52. That's a big difference in pricing just based on